Hi, I'm submitting a system ticket for this, but I just want to show you guys what's going on. So one of my teachers at my campus is having a little trouble with the gradebook for one of the students that she has for just one course. So if she goes into the gradebook, nothing is working. So she has several assignments that she has in session folders, but none of them are showing up here. Now, this is similar to a problem that was happening a few weeks ago, and that was discussed, I think, a little bit in the Buzz meeting last week, wherein if a student is having this problem, then they are not actually added to Buzz, except that this particular student is not a new student for us and has been added to Buzz. So the student has an LMS ID. I clicked sync with LMS just to see if that might work, but it really didn't work. But every other course that the student has, the gradebook is working just fine. So if I go into one of my courses, the gradebook is working. So it's really in just this one particular course that this is happening. So the teacher that it's happening to is Kelly Frazee. The student is Grayson Thompson, and the campus is the Montclair campus. And yeah, so it's just the problem with the gradebook here. All right, thank you so much.